Hey guys, CryptoDad here again, and last night on my Saturday night live stream, I unboxed the Tangem Gift Box, which is a wonderful gift that you could give to any crypto lover in your life, or even keep it for yourself. Also, when you buy the gift box, you qualify for a Bitcoin rebate. And because of the cost, you also qualify for free shipping. So it's a win-win situation. So why don't you join me on this excerpt from my live stream for this impromptu unboxing? Anyway, let's go ahead and open this box. Let's see what we got here. And, you know, it's huge. It won't even fit on this camera, right? Let's see if we can, let's get it open here. So this is the gift set from Tangem. They sent me this. Very nice of them. I love Christmas time. I get all kinds of cool stuff from my affiliate partners. And this is... Try not to kill myself here. Did I just slice the camera open? Okay. All right. Oh boy. Now is this going to come open? I feel like it's... I'm just going to have to move it. All right. Yeah, I'm going to... Oh, you guys can watch me do it over here. I think I got this thing straight here. Let's see if... There might be some tape on here, right? Maybe not. No, there's not. Okay. So let's see if I can get it open. I usually do this when I'm struggling to open a box. I usually edit that part out of my recorded videos. But here we are live trying to open this thing. It's giving. Here we go. I'm making some progress. There it comes. Whee! Hey, we got it. All right, so boop-a-doo. All right. There we go. Let's look at it over here. Whoops. Let's move this thing. Put this knife away so I don't slice my hand open. Let's see. What do we got here? Oh, come on now. Don't... Is it going to focus? There it goes. Whee! All right, so this is my card. Oh boy, look at all this great stuff. Oh boy. We got some great stickers here. These are really cool. I like these stickers. If you want to keep a secret, you must also hide it from yourself. George Orwell. That's really the driving philosophy behind the Tangem wallet, which is the card generates the key and never shows it to the user. The user can use the card to sign transactions, but the key itself is never exposed to the user. The user doesn't have to write down the seed phrase. You can if you want to. They added that feature later. But the philosophy behind the wallet is seedless, in the sense that you don't have a backup phrase. The cards are your backup, right? I know if you lose all your cards, you lose all your crypto. That's true. Just like if you lose a diamond ring, you lose your diamond ring. If you lose a gold coin, you lose a gold coin. It's the same concept, right? You don't lose it. I was like, people always, that's the first question. What if I lose it? I'm like, what, are you planning on losing it? Because you sure sound like you want to lose it. You know, if that's your first reaction to something, is like, what if I lose it? I'm like, why? Are you planning on it? I mean, I've had my car keys for 5 years now. I haven't lost them. Some people do, but you know, just take care of your stuff, man. So let's see. What did they do? Did they give me anything personal here? Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be a little, hey, Rex, thank you. No, it's just, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get this great Tangem card here where they explain how this company started and how it works, their mission. I really like Tangem's philosophy because it is a major problem in crypto. There's so many, like the guy who was asking me about connecting his Trezor, with a USB cable, and how he's so worried about that. So many people are worried about the attacks that really are so negligible. Not even shouldn't even worry about that kind of stuff. They worry about people tampering with their device in the supply chain. They're just worried about the wrong things. The number one attack vector is a user mismanaging their backup phrase. Woof. 95%, maybe more, higher, of how people lose crypto with hot and cold wallets is mismanaging that seed phrase. Writing it down incorrectly, losing it, revealing it, being tricked into revealing it. That is the number one attack vector for scammers and hackers, is tricking people into revealing their seed phrase. Tangem is created a solution to that problem by creating a seedless wallet, right? All right, so let's take a look. This is really nice here. Oh my God. Now can I get this out? Oh my goodness. All right. Okay. Try not to break or scratch it, because this is really nice. Oh yeah. This is really a nice water bottle. Thermos, right? It's just gorgeous. Oh, it's a sippy cup, right? I guess I don't know if you could move the straw out, right? I'll have to explore this. Oh, here it is. Is that it? Ah, there it goes. This way. There you go. Okay. This is gorgeous, right? I'm sure there's people that are joggers and health people that are like, he doesn't know how to use a water bottle. Yeah. But it's black with the Tangem logo. It's really cool. Let's see what else they got here. What is this? Oh, I believe this is a tote bag. So, yeah, this is really nice. Okay. Yeah. Gorgeous tote bag. Whoops. Camera kind of went flaky on me here. Yeah, so it's a deep one, right? You can't really see it. Oh, come on. Let's look over here. Let's look on this guy. Yeah, so this is it. It's pretty nice, right? So cool stuff. And, the main attraction, I believe this is a stealth set of Tangem cards. So the stealth card is, oops, I have one over here. Yeah, the stealth card has no markings on it whatsoever, because people are so worried that someone's going to see their Tangem card with the logo on it and immediately stick a gun in their face and take all their crypto. I know. But I mean, there were so many people complaining, and I don't know what the ring. Yeah. People were complaining about the ring because the ring has the Tangem logo on the inside somewhere. I don't see it right now, but it's there. Oops. Sorry. Yeah, I can't even see it right now. But it is there. There is a Tangem logo on the inside of the ring, and people were complaining about that. Oh, what if someone sees the logo? They're going to know. They're going to steal all my crypto. So Tangem responded to you and made the stealth card set that does not have any logos on it whatsoever. So there you go. You got the Tangem stealth set, and I believe this is just a normal Tangem card holder. Okay, what do we got here? Let's see what this is. Always move knives away from you. That's what they taught me in Boy Scouts. Okay. And What is this? Ugh, here we go again. I got a box I can't get open. Hello? Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm box challenged, apparently. Okay, what is this? Oh my God. Okay, there we go. What in the world is this? Okay. Ooh, very nice. Oh my goodness, yeah. That is nice. All right. Oh, okay. So, this is, you could use for many purposes. A couple of, it's a very minimalist card holder for, just maybe your ATM card and maybe a Tangem card or two, or your ID and an ATM card and a Tangem card. That's all you need, right? But it's beautiful. It's leather. It's very nice. Oh, yeah. Maybe if I held it under the camera, you guys could see it a little better. Soft leather. Very nice. It's quality. Everything in here is high quality. The water bottle, the box, the packing, everything is just very high quality. And this is a great Tangem Stealth Card Set. I want to thank Tangem for sending it to me. You might want to check it out. It'd be a great gift for the crypto hodler in your life, right? So if your hubby or your wife is into crypto and they have Tangem card already, and they're into crypto, you can always use another wallet. I don't know what this mindset of people have about, which wallet should I buy? Buy whatever wallet you want and get more. You don't have to choose. You've got a whole ecosystem of use cases out there. So I have Tangem, I have Ledger, I have Trezor, I have OneKey, I have Descent, I have a lot of different wallets. You don't want to keep all your crypto in one place, right? So spread it out. And you've got different use cases for crypto. You've got long-term storage. You've got like a working wallet that you might use that wallet for interacting, maybe trading, sending back and forth, or like a small working wallet like a Tangem for paying for things on the go. So there's all kinds of, as crypto becomes more mainstream, there's going to be a lot of, more interactive use cases for crypto. And so Tangem is right there with, a seedless card set for good portable crypto self-custody. And of course, the cards have access codes. So if someone steals your card, they can't access the crypto. That's another big question I get about Tangem. But yeah, I like this box. You could give this to anybody that's into crypto and they would consider it just, a great gift. And, it's cheaper than a juicer. I want a juicer and I found out like the juicer that I want is like $600. It's on sale now on Black Friday for $4.99. So, but I still, that's a lot of money, but of course, whenever I buy something, I got to have the best. So I can't buy the $100 juicer, of course. But yeah, I would be thrilled to get this from anyone. I'm thrilled to get it from Tangem, but if you want to get a great Christmas gift for the crypto aficionado in your life, this is just wonderful gift,